Wednesday, July 20th, time for our daily situation awareness brief. No updates other than the PAPDAs going on in Texas. 44 requested, 40 have been completed. Take a look around the region, and first I'll tell you nationally, the National Watch Center remains at an enhanced watch due to the Republican National Convention. However, the NRCC remains at normal operations, as do we here in the region and the Watch Center. All of the Region 6 states remain at level 4 normal operations. IMAD Team 1 remains in Austin. Team 2 is available here in Denton. Do have 3 shelters in northeast Oklahoma with an unknown population of all of them, and 1 shelter down in Houston with a population of 7. No significant power outages to report unless you're one of the 2,500 people in Texas without power this morning. But that is leading power outages across the region. And now we'll turn it over to Brian for the latest weather update.
Okay, good morning everybody. Not a whole lot to talk about, just going to be hot across the eastern portions of the region, and that's what we're seeing on the map there, the heat advisories over portions of Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Other than that, there's really nothing to highlight, so I'll go ahead to the river flooding and 5-day rainfall forecast. Again, nothing to highlight there. All the rivers are below flood stage now, and as you can see, there's little to no rain forecast across the center part of the region, with just some minor amounts over the peripheries of the western and eastern edges of the region. Tropical weather is quiet and expected to remain that way over the next 5 days. And as you can see on the threat matrix, all that we're highlighting is the heat primarily over the eastern half of the region for the next 5 days. So taking a look at today's weather, as I mentioned, most of the rainfall is going to be confined to the eastern and western peripheries of the region. No flooding expected with any of that activity, and no severe weather, and just the heat to highlight. For tomorrow, going to be much of the same. Almost a carbon copy, a little bit less rain tomorrow and Friday. And then as we work our way over to the drought monitor and space weather, the new drought monitor will be coming out tomorrow, and we're going to actually start to see some expansion or additions in the drought. As you might imagine, there's been very little rainfall across, as I mentioned, central portions of the region, so Texas, Oklahoma will start to pick up some drought tomorrow. Space weather is mostly quiet with no impacts to the region, and that's all I've got unless there's any questions.
Thank you, sir. Anyone has any questions? The National Weather Service, hot weather host, please speak up, or if you're on the phone, or type in the chat window. And have a look at the events going around the region this week. And today's day, National Moon Day and Lollipop Day. Don't ask. And today's trivial question is, how many years have the DFW area not reached 100 degrees since 1900? Got a couple of D's to see. And no suspense. Alright. Answer was C, 3. Alright, last chance for any questions. Hearing none and seeing none, this concludes today's briefing. Y'all have a good day. Stay cool.